In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the TikTok message problem in iOS, Android, laptop, and PC completely for free. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. So once you have TikTok open and loaded, if you click on a profile, there should be a message or an icon to say message. But if this is not appearing for you, we're going to fix that for you. So go under to profile next to inbox and then go to the top right hand screen and then click the fourth option under QR code, which says settings and privacy. Now, if you scroll down, you want to click the second option, which is below account and above security and permissions, which says privacy. Now, in this case, when we scroll down under interactions tab, we want to see that there is an option which says direct messages. In this case, if it's not there, then it should be there. You might have to update TikTok. So if we click on this, the direct messages currently allow direct messages from is set to no one. Now, if you want to direct message someone, or if this option is not showing on TikTok, you basically can change this to everyone, suggested friends, or no one. Now, in this case, we're going to do everyone, and we're going to click the X icon. We can even see there's a filtered request and read status. You may or may not have to uncheck or recheck this options so that now when we go back to TikTok home, or we go under to, let's say, friends, and we click a profile, you can now click message and you should be able to message people on TikTok completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.